Page 57. Conversation. Can I help you? Complete the conversation. Then watch and check your answers. Practice the conversation with a partner.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. I need to buy a laptop charger.
Well, there's an electronics store on Pine Street.
On Pine Street?
Yes, it's next to the bank. Go straight on Elm Street and turn left on Pine Street.
Go straight on Elm, turn left on Pine.
That's right. It's on Pine Street, just after the traffic lights.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.